Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as you've all known, Tuesdays and Thursdays are for beginner session. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to continue from where we stopped last Thursday. Okay. And that on Thursday, what we did was we analyzed. Okay, so we interpreted signal rather. So today I'm going to continue with interpreting the signal for those that were not available uh, during the session last week. So guys, the beginner session is very important if you want to learn how to properly analyze the market. How to properly decrypt or interpret signals before taking trades. Okay, so if you are a newbie, you don't know how to interpret signals. You get signals or you see signals in the Telegram group, but you don't know how to interpret it. You can. This session is for you. Okay, just pay attention to all the details I'll be sharing now. Make sure you don't miss out on anything. You can get your pen and your paper. Jot few things down. It's very important. All right. So let's head on to the chart. Okay, let's head on to the chart. All right. So today, just as we did last week, I'm going to show you how to properly interpret signals. And to do that, I'm going to copy out signals that I've shared. All right, previous signals that I've shared. So let me quickly clear out everything that is here. So if you are in my premium group, I gave this signal yesterday, and we are currently making profits. So please make sure to secure your profits, to close positions. So I'm going to share a signal that I've posted before and show you guys how to properly interpret signals. So I'm going to share the signal for this. I gave this signal out, and this is where we took the market from. Okay, this is where we took the signal, and now the market is currently here. Though the market hasn't really moved, too much. So I'm just going to enter the signal. Okay. So guys, we have three type of trade. Okay, we have three type of trade. We have three type of signals. Okay, let me use signals instead. We have three type of signals. All right. We have the intraday signal. We have scalping signal, and then we also have uh, the swing signal. Okay, we have the swing trade. There are three type of traders actually. So, and that is why we have different type of signals. So we have the intraday signal, we have the intraday trader, we have the scalping trader, and then we have the swing trader. So let me just write all of them out. We have this. We have the swing trade, uh, and then we have the scalper trader. Okay, so we have the scalper trader, we have the intraday trader, and then we have the swing trader. Now the difference is the time. Okay, the timing. The difference is the timing. For a scalper open position and hold trade for just few minutes. All right, a scalper open position and hold trade for just few minutes. In fact, they don't hold trade up to an hour sometimes. Okay, though it depends on how the market is, moving. If the market is not moving well, if the market is not really, going as expected, yes, uh, they can hold trade more than an hour, but the max of a scalper is supposed to be within minutes, okay, not up to 1 hour. That is from 1 minute to 59 minutes. All right, so when it gets to 60 minutes, it becomes an hour. So now when it is past 60 minutes, it is not a scalping trade anymore. It is now an intraday trade. Okay, so an intraday trade is a trade that is expected to run within the day, within a day, okay, within 24 hours. Now, if you open a trade and it lasts up to 24 hours, the trade is an intraday trade. All right, guys, I hope you are getting the scope. The trade is an intraday trade. All right, not scalping trade. Then the string trade is for an intraday trade, which is supposed to last for a day or hold within 24 hours. Now, if the trade lasts more than 24 hours, the trade becomes a swing trade. Okay, because the trade is not an intraday trade anymore. The trade is now a swing trade. Okay, just a minute, guys. All right. So, sorry about that, guys. So, as I was saying, all right. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry for the delay in communication. All right. So, let's go on with our class. So, as I was saying earlier, this is how to interpret signals. First of all, you want to see what the signal is saying. And what the signal is saying here is the signal is telling you to buy. Okay. It's telling you to buy this market. Okay. You see. And then before the buy, we have the intraday signal. So what the intraday, as I've explained here earlier, what the intraday is doing here is giving you an insight to, you know, where the analysis was made. So this analysis was made on the higher time frame, and we are expecting the market to run for, within the day. All right. So this kind of signal is still valid, after, even after an hour it was dropped. Do you know why? So let's assume that this is where I might make the analysis right now, and this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, and I saw a buy. Now, if my entry is here, if my entry is here, all right. So this candle has been printing for quite some times now, but it was initially a 1 hour candle, and is expected to finish printing at exactly 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour period. Now, if I take this trade right now, you see, I still have about 25 minutes, 26 minutes thereabout to the end of this candle. Okay, so you can still enter this trade even after 30 minutes. You can still enter this trade even after 20 minutes it was dropped. That is simply that's just the simple explanation here. Okay, that's just the simple explanation here. It's an intraday trade. So the analysis of an intraday trade is usually made from 1 hour, 2 hour, even though the entry is taken from 30 minutes time frame. Though it also depends, on the fundamental analysis of that pair. All right. So if there's a news that is coming out, I don't advise you take the signal even after 30 minutes. It is possible that the news has already affected the market. Okay, so overall you still need to ask your admin, okay, if the signal is still okay to enter. But as for an intraday trade, and for days where there's no news event, when you get an intraday signal, when a signal is carrying intraday trade as a heading like this, all you need to do is check the time the signal was dropped. If it is 15 minutes ago, you can enter the trade. If it is 30 minutes ago, you can still enter the trade. Okay. If it is getting to, like, let's say 1 hour, you can ask the admin, is this still valid for entry? But if it is a scalping trade, if you saw a scalping trade after 5 minutes, forget about the trade. Just ask the admin if the entry is still valid. Okay. If you saw the signal 15 minutes after, 30 minutes after, don't even bother. Okay. It's a scalping trade. Then if it is a swing trade, you can ask even after 2 hours. Okay. You can still ask if the signal is still valid. All right. So guys, please okay, ask the admin if the signal is still valid before you take entries. All right. And then the signal is GBP USD. Okay, which means that you need to open your BtcDana app and look for go to GBP USD. Now when you get to GBP USD, what are you supposed to do on GBP USD? The signal is telling you to buy. Okay, it's telling you to buy. And the reason why we have this number here, this is a price point. Okay, it's not just a number, it's a price point. So I bought GBP USD from this price. So this is another thing that you need to pay attention to, guys. If you are not sure, okay, let's say you saw the trade 1 hour after the signal was dropped. You want to take the trade, okay, but you are not sure if you are supposed to enter the trade, and you've contacted the admin, but maybe they didn't respond to you on time. Here's another thing you can do. You can just go to your chart, okay, go to your chart, then copy this number in front, okay, the buy now. Where it says buy now, copy the number in front of the buy now. Then go to your chart and see if the market has moved from there. Now, I'm going to enter the price and hit okay. So you see, my horizontal line came to the level where I took the trade from. So this is where the signal was taken. All right, this is where the analysis, this is where we got the analysis. This is where we opened the trade, and the trade is currently here. Okay, so let's say maybe where we took the trade from here, this is where we set our stop loss. Okay. So this is our trade. This is our stop loss. This is where the market currently is. Now, if you're going to take this trade, you see, this is where you are going to be taking it from, and this is your stop loss. So the stop loss is wider now. Okay, you don't want to enter a trade that has a wide stop loss. All right, so this is why we need to be careful with our trade. So the price point is there for you to get. All right, so the price point is there for you to see where the market currently is. Okay, if it's still valid for entry or not. Now, that is that for price point. Now let's go to take profit. We have the take profit one and the take profit two. So the take profit one and the take profit two are options. Okay, they are options. So you can either use the take profit one as your take profit, or you use the take profit two as your take profit. Now listen, if you are going to use the take profit one, the only difference here is um let me say it is still the time interval. So you see, let's say this is our take profit one. Okay. So what this means is, you see, is shorter. Okay. If the market goes in our favor, we are going to take profit sooner. But if our take profit two is here, you see, is higher than where our take profit one was. So the market is going to take a while before it actually gets here. I recommend, as a professional, I recommend you use the take profit one, because it gets to take profit one. Let me say most of our signals has gotten to take profit one 90% of time. Okay, but for take profit two, I'll say it's about 70%. Okay, so because take profit one is always faster, and when the market hit your take profit one, um, you know, the market has a tendency of hitting your take profit one because um, is shorter, and it takes just a little time to get to your take profit one. If the market is going in your favor, you can easily hit take profit one. Okay, so take profit one, take profit two, or take profit three. Whichever way the signal provider set it for you, make sure you use just one. If you can use the three, but you have to open three positions. All right. So take for example, right now we have a buy on GBP USD. If you are going to be if you're going to be using take profit one, take profit two, take profit three, you have to open GBP USD buy position three times. Okay, three places. Now, if you have the three places, you can decide to use take profit one on the first one, take profit two on the second one, and then take profit three on the third one. Okay. But if you don't want to do it that way, you can also use take profit one for all the three, or take profit two for all the three positions open. I hope you understand now, guys. I hope you understand. All right, so moving on, let's move forward. Somebody was asking me last week if I can make analysis for them to see. So let me see if I have a question from you guys.
Yes.
All right. So Oluomo is asking if anyone have successfully withdrawn from BtcDana. Yes, a lot of people have withdrawn from BtcDana. I'm telling you. Okay, a lot of people have withdrawn from BtcDana. Um, so when you fund your account and you make profit and you want to withdraw your profit, just go to the section where it says profile. Okay, my profile. So click on it. You see withdraw. Withdraw. So just click on the withdraw, then follow the procedure. All right. All right. So UFOO CJY Gold. Good morning. What does BDC mean? I think I've answered this before. I said BDC means BTC Dana coin. All right. Okay. Sunny Gold. Please, screen is not clear. You can actually uh, you can use the landscape mode. All right, to see the clean better. All right, you can use the landscape mode to see the screen better. Okay. I invited 5 people. How can I gain my reward? You can talk to their customer service, okay, about your invite. All right. So I don't know how that works. You can chat their customer service up and ask them about the people that you have invited. All right. So somebody else is saying, okay, okay, okay. All right. Clara Rollinson. Good morning. I am new in the system. Yes, you are welcome. All right. You are welcome to the system. This is our live trading session, and all of us here are forex traders. So, for you to become a profitable forex trader, you first need to learn how to analyze and properly open trades. Okay. And what I'm doing here is a beginner friendly session where I teach how to interpret signals and how to trade in the market. All right. Okay. So I hope everyone got the scope. Let's continue with what we are doing in the chat. Okay, let's continue with what we are doing in the chat. What other thing haven't we talked about? So the next thing is I want to show you guys how to open trade in the app. Okay, how to open trade in the app. But unfortunately, I can't do that right now because I don't have the tools to show you how it is done in the app. But you can join me after this session. We'll have a Telegram question and answer session by 11:30. I can show you how to do that, in that session. All right. So, guys, please, if you have any more question, make sure to ask me, and I'll be sure to answer all your questions. Okay. All right. So somebody is saying Sonny Gold is asking. Sorry. Okay, Sonny Gold is asking, how please do you have a class for beginner? Yes, we do have a class for beginner. This is also a beginner class, but if you want to learn how to properly analyze the market, you have to fund your account. Okay, you are not paying. Okay, don't get me wrong. You are not paying to learn, right? But you have to fund. You have to fund your account with $200. All right, you have to fund your account with $200. So on this live stream, you see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Now, if you click on the banner, as I said, it will take you to the deposit page. When you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. All right, I have a premium group where I give signals, market analysis, and market reports. If you deposit $10 on this live stream, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit um, $200, $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So for the session, that is where I'll be able to teach you how to properly, analyze the markets, and also share my trading strategy with you. Please, I'm watching it now live. How does it work? Yeah, I just Clara Rollinson. I just explained how it works. Okay. All right. How it works is this is a forex chart. Okay, this is how a forex chart looks like, and you need to make analysis to get the direction of the market. Okay, you need to make analysis, and this analysis are looking for your support and your resistance zone. So when the market is on support zone, the market has probability of buying. When the market is on resistance zone, the market has a probability of selling. And how do you know your support and your resistance zone? This is your support zone. Where the market has been, trying to move on is your support zone. And where the market has been selling is your resistance zone. So anywhere you see the market, get to and then want to sell, it means the market is on a resistance zone. But when you see a market where the market is on buy, where the market is trying to buy from, then the market is on support zone. So what we have here right now, you see, this area is a level where the market has been rejected. So after this first rejection, we also have this rejection. Now we are expecting the market to buy. And what happened? You see, when the market got here, the market bought for a bit. Okay, so this is how support works. And for resistance, since we already have a rejection that pushed the market to the downside, my next expectation, my expectation is for the market to come back into this zone again and sell, even if it's not going to sell for long, but at least I'll be able to make my uh, profit from the little movement that is going to happen. And that is exactly what happened here. And as you can see here right now, we have a break to the downside. Okay, we had a break to the downside from here. So what this simply means is whenever the market break structure. All right, so please, how can I get the Telegram link? All right. Before the end of our session, I'm going to share the Telegram link here, so you all can join the Telegram link. And guys, I'm hosting a competition. All right. So the competition is a trading competition. You guys are going to have to deposit $20 to join the competition. All right. Just fund your account with real money. I'm going to add everybody to the premium group, and I'll be giving out the signals for the competition. Now, you are supposed to join the competition. You are supposed to be able to have a one-on-one session with me for $200. All right. But if you join the competition, I promise you, the benefit you get from the competition, aside getting signals and growing $20 to $100, I'm also going to teach you how to properly analyze the market. Okay, so we will be having session every week, once in a week. We can even do it during the weekend when everybody is available and nobody is going anywhere. Okay, so you'll be added to the premium group where I'll be giving you free signals every day, back to back, and we will try to grow $20 to $100 within 30 days. Okay, so guys, please make sure fund your account. I'm going to put out the instructions on what to do before the end of today. Okay, or probably before the end of this week. So when we start, I'm going to I'm going to communicate it to everybody. All right. So even if you are a newbie, you can fund $20 when the time comes, and then I'll show you how to go about everything. I'll be sharing the inside tips, how to analyze the market, how to interpret signals, and then I'll also be giving out the signal. Okay. So somebody is asking, how do I get proper teaching for new person? You can join the competition. Okay. So as I've said earlier, on the norms, you are supposed to fund your account with $200 to get a one-on-one session with me. Okay. But if you join my trading contents, um, if you join my trading contest, you have a session and a weekly session where I'll be teaching how to analyze the market and how to interpret signals. Okay, and then I'll also guide you on how you can properly analyze the market yourself to get good entries. Okay, I'll take you on the journey of becoming a professional forex trader. So that is for Richie, right? Uh, or Jege for life. I will reserve my question till Telegram session because I haven't understood how to place trade on your platform, sir. All right, there's no problem. All right, so we'll be having a Telegram session by 11:30, so you can join me on the session. We both can communicate rather than here. Where you have to type your question out, you can talk to me directly on the session. Okay, F Young, Andrew, can I transfer fund from my Binance to BtcDana account? Yes, you can. Okay, you just have to use the USDT option. All right. So if you go to deposit, you see the option where you can use Theta. Okay, Theta. So you can transfer your USDT from Binance to BtcDana. Madam, Clara, same too. I don't understand. Okay, I think I've answered that. All right. Obiom Obioma Chide. Please, how can I make analysis? As I've said earlier, if you want to learn how to make analysis, you have to join my trading contest. Okay, you just have to fund your account with $20. I mean, guys, $20 is not much. Yeah, $20 is a little amount of money. Just fund $20, and then you join the contents, and I'll also teach you how to analyze the market properly. All right. So this is a one-time offer, I'm telling you, and this is not going to last for long. For long. So I will be communicating the procedures later. I'm just introducing you guys to it now, but I'm going to give out the instructions later on how to go about it. All right. So Sonny Gold is saying, okay, so how can I get the Telegram link? I'll share the Telegram link before the end of our session. All right. Mayor Empire. Is the app dashboard okay? Add me, please. Don't forget. What app dashboard, sir? I don't understand your. Okay, what's $20 equivalent in naira, please? I'm not sure because BTC Dana has a floating rate, so they don't have a fixed rate. Anytime you want to make a deposit, you have to check how much their deposit rate is. All right. As a new beginner, how do one identify a signal if it's available? All right. So to identify signal, It's very easy. Okay, so signals are always shared to the group every day, to the general group every day, Telegram group. So signals, this is how signal looks like. Let me just quickly post the signal I posted earlier. Okay. I don't know if it's still here, but let me post another one. So this is how a signal looks like. It will tell you if you are to buy or sell. Yes. So this is how a signal looks like. All right. All right. So this is how a signal looks like. You see, the signal is saying this is a sell signal, and the signal is GBP JPY. So what you're expected to do here is go to GBP JPY and sell. All right, this is the price you are selling from. And we have the TP, we have the TP2, and then we have uh, the stop loss. Okay. Okay. Yes. This video is being recorded and is on Telegram. Right. So just you can get the video on the BtcDana Telegram. It's on YouTube rather. So you can get the video on our YouTube channel, on the BtcDana YouTube channel. So just go to BtcDana. You go to your YouTube and search for BtcDana. All right. I think I need to share the link here for you guys. Let me just quickly share the link. Then when you get the link, you can just head on to uh, the live. Okay. So it will be recorded, but it will be on the live video. So anytime you want to rewatch this, you can always rewatch it. Okay. I'll share. Don't worry. I think it's better I just share the video here instead of giving you uh, the channel name. Let me just give you. Let me just give you the channel link instead. So anytime you want to rewatch the video, you can always go there. So let me share the link with you guys. Okay. All right. So somebody has calculated it and said it's 30,000 naira. Yes. So if you want to make good money, it doesn't come cheap. And trust me, this is cheap. Okay, and this is way cheap. So and again, you are not paying this to anybody. All right, the 30,000 naira, you are funding it in your account, and we will be growing the money together. I promise you, you are not going to lose your fund. All right. So we are going to be, growing it together, and then I will also tell you how to go about it. All right. Yes, I can teach you how to do analysis. All right. But you have to fund on my live stream. Okay, you have to fund on my live stream. If you can't fund on my live stream, don't worry. If you can't, sorry, you have to fund up to $200 on my live stream. But if you don't have up to $200, don't worry. I've made it easy for all of for everyone. As I said earlier, I have an event coming up, and during the event, I'll be teaching everybody for free. Okay, you just have to fund your account with $20, but don't do it yet. Okay, I'm still going to give instruction regarding that. All right. So when it is time for you to fund the $20, I'm going to communicate it to everyone. Just make sure you are following my live every time, okay? And then I also have a Telegram session by 11:30. So by 11:30, I'm going to explain things better. And then when the event starts, I will also communicate it to everyone here so you can participate. Okay. So do not fear. I'm not going to leave anyone hanging. When you fund your account, you'll be added to the premium group where I'll be providing signals. Okay. And then you also have a one-on-one session with me. All right. So I believe this is a good opportunity for you to make money. I mean, Nigeria is very hard on everybody right now. Okay. So one source of income is not good. And I don't want to be the kind of, uh, tutor that, just say and doesn't do. So if you fund your account, I'll add you to my premium group where I'll be giving you signals to grow your $20. Okay, it needs to be $20 because if I say $10 is too small. Trust me, $10 is way too small for you to trade. Okay, I don't understand how somebody will trade $10 and want to take it. I'm not saying it's impossible. Okay, but for a beginner like you, it's very hard. All right, unless you have other $10 you want to risk. So $10 is a risk, but with $20, at least we can manage our risk better. Trust me. Okay. So, what is the date for the event? Is it today, boss? No, it's not today. Okay, but it is before the end of this week. So, Obiom Machide, don't worry, I'm going to communicate the time. Okay, it will also be shared in the BtcDana Telegram group. All right. So, let me share the BtcDana group. Let me share the link to BtcDana group, or channel rather. So, we also give signals and market reports in the group, right? Okay, very good question. Very good question. How do you know when I fund my account? Now, you see, I am live here, okay? If you fund your account right now, there's a bot that is going to, bring up your name and say you have funded your account, okay? I guess this is your first time of joining us. If this is not your first time, I think there are other people here that have funded before. You can, attest to it. Please, I have joined the channel on Telegram now. All right, Adi White, that's very good. Uh, so the instructions will be communicated. Just make sure you fund your account when the time comes. Okay, so probably today, tomorrow, I'm going to tell you when to start funding. So when you fund your account, $20, just $20. Okay, so if you fund $20, you'll be contacted. Okay, Miss Bella or Mr. Akin is going to contact you. So when they contact you, they will ask you if you funded for. You have to fund $20. All right. If you fund $20, if you don't fund up to $20, they are still going to contact you. Okay, but they'll just add you to the premium group without telling you about the event. But if you fund up to $20, they are going to assume that yes, you want to join the event. They will ask you if you funded for the event, and if you say yes, they are going to send your details to me, and then I'll add you. So when you join specifically for the event, I'll know how to handle matters from there. All right. Okay, boss, which channel are you sending the link? Don't worry. The link will be sent to the Telegram channel. I'll also send the link to you guys here when the time is ready, when we are ready. Okay. So for now, I'm just communicating it to everyone here, just for you to know that I have an event coming up. All right. So, guys, please, I need you all to participate. All right, I need you all to participate. So you see, you are not doing this because of me. Okay, we are all doing this because of ourselves. All right. I know it is very hard for people to fund a large capital to trade. But if you fund $20, let's see how we can do with $20. Let's see what we can take the $20 to. And trust me, you're not going to lose your money. Okay, I'll make sure of that. I'll make sure you are using the smallest lot size, because we'll always be in contact. We'll always be communicating to each other. To make sure that everything is going smoothly. All right. So guys, I don't have one. Please send the Telegram channel. I don't have one. Okay. Well, I just sent one, but let me reshare again. Okay. Yes. So Obiamachide, I just sent another one. Right. Yes, I have. Okay, Adi is saying yes, I have funded before, but it was quite little. Now I have the basis to fund more to the $20. Yes, that's very good. That's very good. That's very good. You see, this is the kind of people I love. I like. Okay, people that are interested in growing. Okay, people that are interested in growing. If you fund, as I've said earlier, I promise you we are going to grow our account. I'm telling you, $20 to $200 is a challenge. Okay, we are challenging ourselves. So when we take the $20 to $200, from there we are going to host another event to take the $100 to $1,000. All right, we are going to hold another event to take the $100 to $1,000. All right, so we want to do this in the space of 2 months. All right, I'm telling you, it is very, 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 it's 100% possible. All right, it's 100% possible. This is something that I've done so many times, and it has really worked out and worked fine. All right, so you just need somebody that is experienced enough to guide you on how to go about it, and I'm here to do that for you. Okay. So when the time comes, just make sure that you fund your account with at least $20. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. It's already past 11, and we have another session coming up by 11:30. So guys, that will be all. I'm ready to fund $15. Sir, add me, sir. If you fund $15, you'll be added to the premium group, but not the event. Okay, it has to be $20. Please, it has to be $20. Okay. All right. See, it's for your own good. If you fund $15 is a little is a bit small for what I'm planning to do for you guys. Okay, so please make sure it is up to $20. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. Join me on the Telegram question and answer session by 11:30. Bye for now. Yes, you're welcome, sir. All right, it's my pleasure. So you can join me by 11:30 on Telegram using the link I've shared. All right. So bye for now.